This is the last episode for my beloved Inky. This is us doing some more testing with the code, controlling the system. The software team designed the display, and deciding what was on that display was a very interesting process, especially the nomenclature, like what we named things, because as engineers, we would call items one name, but then that would be confusing to like the clinical users. I think the final decision was that the big blue control temperature was the temperature that the user actually set, and the temperature of the air in the system and the temperature of the baby were the two smaller temperatures up under that. It shows whether the heating is on or off and if any alarms should be going off. You can see as I'm holding the temperature sensor, the two temperatures at the bottom are like slowly increasing, and eventually they would get to the same temperature. We did our final testing and had to get ready for Expo. So this was our Expo setup, and we had to write a paper and do the triboard presentation. Expo is basically like college science fair. All of the senior design classes from all of the different schools of engineering set up their tables, and judges go around and ask them questions, and they show off all their hard work for the semester. We put some cool decorations on the front to hide the electronics on the inside for aesthetic purposes, and also the doctor encouraged us that this would help not scare the parents with all the electronics that was going on the inside. But on the side, we didn't cover that up so we could see what was happening on the inside, and there's a sneak peek of what magic is happening inside there. And I gotta say, this was a 2-year-long project, so this was my junior design and senior design project. But it was for sure the most fulfilling thing I ever did at Tech. One of the best projects, my favorite project, and one of the things that I was most proud of. Oh yeah, and we won Expo, and I got to hold a big check. So it was a great way to end my time at Georgia Tech.